Hi everyone, I'm Jen, and this is Day Trippin' with Aunt Jen. I have 7 nieces and nephews from California to Maine who I don't get to see as much as I would like. So these videos are for them to get to know their aunt and to encourage them to get out and have some fun. This week's adventures, Marc and I decided to drive up to the Sequoias. We were surprised to see that there was still snow on the ground, and it was just beautiful. Neither of us have ever been there, so we were super excited. And it was Marc's birthday! Yay! We stayed at the Waxahachie Lodge where we ate breakfast, which was okay. Lunch, which was really good. And dinner, which was excellent. We ate breakfast, lunch, and dinner there every day because we didn't realize there are no other restaurants, or hotels for that matter, up in the Sequoias. But being amongst these giant beauties made it all worth it. I mean, just look at the size of these things. They're massive. Tree hugger. Our first day there, we hiked down to the General Sherman, which is a 2,200-year-old sequoia. The hike down is only about a half a mile, but you have to hike back up. It's pretty steep, but there are seats along the way. There are these markers that let you know how far down the trail you are, and they say the trail is as long as the tree is high. Coming down the trail was a snap. It was just going back up that was a little hard. But man, the view was epic. Of course, the video does not do this justice, but what you're looking at here is a replica of how big around the General Sherman tree is. This is the first glance of the tree, and there it is in all its glory.
Jen's gonna hug the tree. She's a tree hugger.
I love you.
That's a good one.
Wow, so cool.
Not near as big as the Grant or Sherman.
Is so pretty too.
Yeah.
There are many trails that branch off the Sherman Trail. This is the Congress Trail, or the beginning of it, but I didn't want to go on it. It was enough for me to go down the Sherman Trail and climb back up. next day, Mark and I took the Lodge Pole Trail from Wakasachi Lodge all the way over to Lodge Pole Campgrounds. However, we only went about halfway. The river at the bottom was just gorgeous. Storm is coming. We got, what, 3 to 5 feet of snow coming tonight.
Inches.
Oh, inches. Okay, what do you rate this trail?
This trail?
The loop, what is it? Lodge Pole.
Yeah, it's a good trail. I would give it a 7, 7.5, 5.
Really? I'd give it like a 10.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it has switchbacks. It has water rushing through. It has beautiful trees. Mark helped me conquer my fear of hiking through the snow, which was hardly at all. It was beautiful. So we did about maybe 2 miles out.
Yeah.
Yeah, and back. So yeah, I would highly recommend. And no trash anywhere. So leave no trace.
Beautiful
All right.
out here.
Yes. And it's gonna snow here in a little bit. There's a big rock slab behind us over there. Roaring, raging water down there. Anyway, it was awesome. Cool. I don't know if you can see the clouds moving in. The storm's coming. We're inside, nice and toasty, in the lodge. Hi. Got a fire going by the bear. Just hanging out with the bear. It's nice and warm in here. This is the view from our hotel room. It was such a winter wonderland. Yay! Ah. That's our cabin up there. Yay! It's coming down. Woo! You put the windshield wipers up?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, off to dinner. Mark and I had not been up in the snow since we've been together, so it had to have been at least 15 years since I'd seen the snow. Unfortunately, we didn't know that diesel gas freezes, or I should say gels, in cold temperatures, so we're stuck here for an extra night. Hopefully our last day at Wakasachi Lodge The sun is out, and we're hoping by 12 o'clock the truck will start. But how pretty is this? Monday afternoon, and Mark and I are waiting in the lodge patiently. Thank God for the tow truck. The temperature never got warm enough to defrost the gas. They towed us to a cute little town called Exeter, where the diesel defrosted. Tuesday morning, the truck fired right up, and on our way home, we stopped at Kelly Slater's Surf Ranch. You can hear the wave going. That's so cool. Hey, baby. I wish we could go in there and play. That's so cool. All in all, we had a great trip. Shout out to Crystal, Brianna, Devin, Brayden, Autumn, Lauren, James, my nieces and nephews. I love you so much. If you're not my nieces or nephews and you like what you see, please hit like and subscribe. See you later.